everybody, so we are at my salon right now, so I am about to go get my hair done. I'm meeting my parents here, so they just got here, so we're about to go inside. Tyler's gonna get some behind the scene footage of what's going on, and then I will show y'all my hair at the end, so I will see y'all here shortly. Okay, everybody, so here's my hair. It honestly, unfortunately, does not look that different, and I'm kind of bummed out about it, but like, we got these pieces super bright. Like, I'll insert a picture of that. And he put a darker toner over it, and this toner is supposed to come out in like a few days, so it may get brighter, but it just isn't exactly what I was hoping for. I was hoping for more of a drastic change. So I know he didn't want to damage my hair because I had like color on the end still, even though all of this was natural up top, the color on the end was still there. So I know he didn't want to fry my hair off like before my show. So I'm going back next month and we're gonna try and lighten it some more, so like you can kind of see it's brighter, but it just kind of looks the same. And I guess I was expecting more of like a drastic change, but this is what it is for right now. And then hopefully next month when I go in, we can get it to actually be blonder, because that's what I was going for originally. So hopefully the next time I go in, we can get more of a balayage on the ends, because that's what I was wanting, is for this part down here to be like all blonde, but it's still pretty dark. So we got some work to do. I'm a little bummed, but it is what it is for now. So anyways, so later today, I actually have to go do my test out for my silk. So I'm trying to eat right now so I can go do that, because my hair took a little bit longer than I expected. I won't be filming that for you guys because I really just need to focus on testing out of my beginner's class so I can go into intermediate. But I will check back in with y'all here in a bit.
Broke it. Alright.
Golly!
On my leg.
Oh my god!
What do you have to say for yourself?
That was bad. You got one! You got the one on the end. It bounced out. Okay, so it's dark in here, but we just got done bowling and we're headed to get some food. So we're 8 weeks out right now, but whenever I did my check-ins this morning, my coach told me, well, he sent me like a meal plan and there was a burger on there. So I actually get a burger today. So I'm freaking so stoked. So we just finished bowling. I didn't get my last bowl on camera, but it was so good. I did the granny bowl, you know, like between the legs, and I got a strike. So, but right now we are headed to In-N-Out so I can get the burger of my dreams, and I will see you guys whenever we get there. So we just had In-N-Out. It was amazing. It was so good. It was so needed, so good, tasty. So we're headed home now. It's pretty late. We had a good time hanging out with our friends and just enjoyed our time. I don't really get to do this a lot. And you know, the further I get into prep, the less I will be able to do these things. So definitely wanted to not really film a lot, not really be on my phone, because I wanted to enjoy the time that I had with our friends. But we are headed home now, and I have a little bit of work to do even though it's kind of late. So I will see you guys in the morning. So I just woke up and I am getting ready to go do, well, I'm not getting ready, I'm going to do my fasted cardio right now. So I actually do the elliptical in the mornings and just make sure my heartbeat is over 130. So that is what I'm about to do. I'm still kind of asleep, but you know, we got to get it done. So I'm almost at the gym, and we're gonna get this going, and then I gotta go home, eat some good breakfast, and I'll bring y'all with me. Hello everybody. So it is good old Sunday. which if you have been following my journey and my fitness escapades on Sundays, I have my aerial silks training, so I am actually headed there right now. Of course, hashtag always running late because I was working on prepping food and stuff. But so I'm actually in the intermediate level silks now. My last video I was going to test out and it got delayed. My test got delayed and I ended up taking it like in the middle of the week. And ended up passing. I did put that on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, I will link that right here, so y'all can go follow me there, because I post a lot of updates there that I don't post here. So I should be there relatively soon, and I will bring you guys along with me for my first intermediate silks class. So I will see you there.
She's like, no, I'm gonna do it.
Come to your knees, now let go, and land in your straddle, and then come forward in the back. That's it. That's all you're doing, you're just doing fast. Yes? And that's where you're dropping. So for your knee, what does that look like?
It feels like more like tight
It
here.
is up here, but...
This one I will admit I didn't, it like hit and then I bounced.
Okay.
And that was just me
Are you able to drop it if you like?
Maybe. I could definitely
Because for
try.
me, the tightness is in my other thigh.
Yeah, I
That's why
definitely felt it
drop
more pinched than it.
Yeah.
Huh? Wait.
Do you feel comfortable with your knee? It should catch you more up here.
Yeah.
It's like a kick ring.
I do that all the time. Alright, so
Well, I can barely do an airplane drop. I can barely do an airplane drop.
But this is not too much. Look at you. That was great.
Yes. For me, the cross, and then you're gonna flip over. Oh my god. So you gotta throw your body. You got this.
Straight legs, really active. I want to see you lifting your heels up and you push it. Right? And one big motion. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. And go upside down. You were probably limited. This is your first time too.
Yeah.
You did all the things for legs.
Like I feel like my abs shrink.
I was like,
No, we just have to tell what to do. Sarah, how's that foot?
Fine.
Good. Jessie, how's that knee? Yes, Jessie, so pretty.
yes.
Doesn't feel right. It looks right.
It is. Lift up into a front bounce. Lift your heels more. Yes. Lift your heels more. Trust more and move forward with your chest. This one's going to hold you. Are you trying to do the drop left?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes, Lexi.
It's like low though.
So for that one, lift some pressure off and split your legs open and it'll drive it up. And you have it on enough to where you can drop it. She has like 8 muscles on her shoulder. I want her to at least 3 more. She's got like 8. Okay. I'm staring at your shoulders now, but keep going. Or stay there. It's working for me. So if you want to come out of here.
I'm not. I'm gonna be too far into it on accident.
Yes, keep going. Perfect. And then from there, let go and fall backwards. Yeah, that's all you're doing. Perfect. So it's 3 things. You're hitting okay. So you're gonna hook one leg like you're gonna do a gazelle, right? But instead of pulling a gazelle, you're gonna sit up. Now notice I used my foot. I'm swinging it around, and now I'm gonna use my heel, kicking down to sit up. Your feet do so much more for you in aerials than your hands. And straighten the leg, drive your heel down. Zero. I'm gonna hit peak. Finally, you're gonna lean back over, catch the pull with your leg. You've now created a spool around your leg, and to drop, you'd simply straighten your leg. Back down into here. Our hands are not used a lot for lifting in these things. Advanced aerials will really get into like pulls and using the grip more. Good job, Suzo. Suzo, in that drop, kick your heel further so it comes together as one. You don't want the pulls open because then you're filling out the middle. Yes, hip feet over. Beautiful. Okay, pull it right leg. And strap on the fall. Yes, your right leg. So you're going to start to unkey, lean back, and put the right leg over here. Stay further back. Go back to your key formation. Now you're tired. You're doing great. Let's hit key 1, 2, 3. Yes.
I think I fucked
This
up.
leg needs to come over. Open.
Oh, I have to like
Okay.
swing it this way?
Yes. Your right leg.
Man, not job.
Nice, guys. It's such a satisfying noise on this one. Got it. Lean back and hook that right leg. And hook. Yes! Perfect! Perfect. From there, it's tight on the quad, right? From there, lay back. You don't have to sit up again. You're perfect. Because now you're adding another skill. Perfect. From there, lay back into a gazelle. Yeah, nice. Now when you're ready, straighten your leg. Yeah, that's it. Good job. Okay, but it's in to move bottom knee. So this one where I have you guys practice this move, where you then sit up, over, that way, here, like that, here, and then you sit up, roll, over here, that hangs all the way. And then
Yeah, I
here,
remember that one.
up, then you
I couldn't get it.
and it's such a freaky drop because it lands below your.
Okay, guys. Whoa. Hello. Hold on. Okay, so I just got done with my class. I didn't really film much of me doing anything because that was so incredibly hard. Like, that was a lot harder than beginner. I really wasn't like expecting it to be that hard. I guess, I mean, my instructor, he definitely warned me about it before I moved up, that it's way more difficult and like the silks get a lot tighter and like, yeah, it's different, that's for sure. But it was nice because I felt like really challenged, you know? So I did enjoy that, but I am tired now and I feel super weak, even though everybody was saying that I wasn't, but I just feel weak. So I am gonna go home and get some food and go to bed and get ready for the week. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching and supporting me. It doesn't go unnoticed, I can promise you that. So we are currently 8 weeks out right now, and I'm excited to bring y'all along with me for the rest of this journey. I hope y'all enjoy me doing the silk stuff. It's something a little bit different outside of the bodybuilding world, but it is part of my life. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next vlog. We will be 7 weeks out. It'll be Fiona's show day, so I'll get to show y'all a lot of that. And remember, guys, to live every moment. Bye!